Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw money from Wise to Zelle in 2025. If you're dealing with international transfers and need to get your funds into Zelle for quick, seamless US payments, this guide is perfect for you. Wise is an awesome platform for holding multiple currencies, but linking it to Zelle requires a few straightforward steps. By the end of this video, you'll be withdrawing like a pro. Let's dive in. First, ensure you have everything set up. You'll need a Wise account with funds available and a US bank account linked to Zelle. Zelle works through your bank, so the key is transferring money from Wise to your bank first. Start by logging into your Wise app or website. Head to your dashboard, select the currency balance you want to withdraw, and choose the option to transfer to your bank account. Make sure your bank details are already added in Wise. If not, go to Settings and link your US bank account. This step is crucial to avoid any delays. Once that's done, enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm the transfer. Wise typically processes these quickly, but it might take 1 to 2 business days depending on your bank. Keep an eye on any fees. Wise charges a small conversion or transfer fee, and your bank might add one too, so check those rates beforehand to save money. After the funds hit your bank account, it's time to use Zelle. Open your bank's app or Zelle directly, select the recipient, enter the amount, and send it off. Double-check the recipient's details to prevent errors. Nothing worse than sending money to the wrong person. A few tips for 2025. With updated regulations, always verify your limits on both Wise and Zelle. If you're dealing with large amounts, consider splitting transfers to stay under daily caps. And remember, security is key. Use two-factor authentication everywhere. There you have it, folks. Withdrawing from Wise to Zelle is easier than ever in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.